Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my flexi rod sets on my natural hair. So the first thing that you're going to need is the Curl Aid Moisture Butter by Camille Rose. This is what I use on my flexi rod sets and my twist outs as well. I'm trying to focus the camera so you guys can see the actual label. But here it is. This is what I use and it works pretty well. The next thing you're going to need is a dimming brush, and that is to detangle your hair before you actually roll it on the rod. Another thing I keep on hand is the moisturizing mist by Tailored Beauty, and this gives my hair a little bit of moisture when it starts to get dry. I use the purple flexi rods for the bottom half of my hair, and I'll also use the orange flexi rods for the top part of my hair. You'll also need hair clips to keep your hair separate as you work on each section at a time. So the first thing you'll want to do is to divide your hair into 4 sections. Make sure you detangle each section, and what I use to detangle each section is Kinky Curly Not Today detangler. Alright, so the first thing is take one section and divide that section into 2 parts. Now you'll want to take the Moisture Butter by Camille Rose and apply some of that to that section of the hair. You don't have to apply too much, but apply enough. Now you're going to take the dimming brush and brush through that section to make sure that the hair is tangled and knot free. Okay, so keep in mind this is the method that I use when I just don't have the time to put a million flexi rods in my hair. So as you guys can see, what I'm doing is I'm taking that section of my hair and I'm dividing it into 2. And I'm taking 1/2 of the hair and I'm wrapping it around one end of the flexi rod, and the other half of the hair is going around the other end of the flexi rod. One thing you want to make sure of is that the end of your hair is securely around the flexi rod, and make sure if you want you can put more product around that part of it, but just make sure that it's definitely attached to the flexi rod. Once you see that it's securely around the flexi rod, you can then bend it up and move on to the other side. So again, you're putting enough product on the hair, then you're going to wrap it around that part of the flexi rod, ensuring that the ends are securely attached to the flexi rod, and then you just bend up. Okay, so once you bend the flexi rod up at the end, you just repeat this step for each other section of your hair. Okay, now every part of my hair is on the flexi rod, and as you can see, it's not a million of them, so now you're ready to get under the dryer. Also, you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt, but if you can do me a huge favor, if you haven't already, click subscribe right below this video and join my study family. That way you can stay tuned and join me every week when I upload new videos. Okay, thank you, and back to the video. Okay, so now it's time to take your flexi rods out, and as you guys can see, I slept with a satin scarf on my head so that my hair wouldn't come loose. Okay, and as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm curling the ends of my hair as I'm taking them out. This helps reduce frizz when it's time to take them apart. And unfortunately, one mistake that you guys can definitely learn from me, as you can probably see with this curl right here, my hair was not completely dry. So definitely when you're doing yours, make sure that your hair is 100% completely dry. Okay, now that the flexi rods are totally removed, you can now add a little olive oil to your hair just to give it a little shine. You don't have to overdo it, just a little bit will work. Now what I'm going to do is gently take apart each individual curl and just keep doing it until I get the volume that I would like. Okay, now it's time to use my pick and pick it out until I get, like I said, the volume that I really like. And as you guys may know, I like my hair big, so so keep picking. Okay, and voila, here you are, a flexi rod set. And like I said before, mine look a little different than I expected it to because it was not 100% dry. But that's okay because it's still cute and I like it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And once again, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and bye.